What's up, everybody? It's Bobby here with ThunderMax Tech Support. Today, we're going to be going over one of the most often asked questions to ThunderMax Tech Support, and that's linking issues. So like I was saying, one of the most commonly asked questions we get, or issues that we get here at ThunderMax Tech Support, is an issue with the end user being able to link to their ECM. There's a couple of reasons for this, and I'm going to go over a couple of those reasons and give you some tips and some tricks on how to eliminate this and get you plugged back into your ECM. That way you can make changes and get on the road. So first and foremost, we're going to ask you if your software is up to date. To do that, you're going to go into Configure, scroll down to TMax Tuner Software Update. Click on that. Make sure your software is up to date first and foremost. The second most common thing is going to be the data cable. So you get a data cable with your kit. It's a USB standard to mini USB. And what happens with this mini USB is in the opening in the front here, it can get filled with dirt, debris, grease, junk, stuff like that. Something you can do is take a non-metallic scraper, like a wooden toothpick maybe, or the end of a zip tie, try to pick out some of that debris that may be getting in the way of it establishing a good connection. Another thing you can do is you can go to your parts store, pick up some contact cleaner. We're not sponsored by WD-40, but it's what we got. You can get any of it, CRC, and just kind of spray it in there a little bit. You don't want to drown it, just want to try to blast away some of that dirt and debris and make sure it's good and clean. And you can do the same thing on the other side where this plugs into your ECM. If you don't have your rubber boot on the ECM, a lot of times it can get dirt, debris, grime, and stuff in there. Same thing. Take your contact cleaner, blast a little bit. You don't want to drown it, just want to knock some of that stuff out. And that should help establish a link. So another thing about this data cable here is you see a lot of these types of cables floating around, charging cables for phones, other electronics. Vaping's a big deal now. People got vape chargers that look like this. But what makes this cable different is it is actually a data cable. So it can actually transfer data. So make sure if you don't have the cable that came with your kit and you need to replace it, you can get one on our website, or you can go to your local Best Buy, Electronics Express, and pick one of these up. But make sure that you get a data cable and not just a transfer or a charging cable. You want it to transfer data. So you cleaned your cable, you cleaned your ECM, you got rid of all the dirt and debris that may have been in there, but you're still not able to link to your ECM. The second thing you can do is in the software, go under Configure, click on it, scroll down to Open Windows Device Manager. Another window will pop up to the side. Click on Install/Repair USBSER driver. So you're going to click on that. Click Yes on the next dialog box. Click Yes on the next dialog box. And the install wizard is going to pop up and prepare for install/repair. When that box pops up, you're going to get three choices: modify, repair, or remove. You want to make sure that you click repair. Select next. The install wizard is going to go through some other things. It's going to ask you if you want to finish. Click finish. Once it's done, try to establish a connection with your ECM. Hopefully between cleaning your data cable and cleaning your ECM and running the repair on the driver, you're now able to link to your ECM. If for some reason you're not able to link to your ECM, there may be an issue within the ECM itself that will require you to send it back to us. Then we'll repair it and get it sent back to you. Just contact us at ThunderMax Tech Support. We'll send you an RMA form. You'll fill it out, send your ECM and that form to us. We'll get it repaired, tested, and sent back out to you. All right, so hopefully one of those options got you back on the road and you don't have to send your ECM in to us. But if you do, don't fret. I'll only be here for a little bit. We'll get it back to you. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact ThunderMax Tech Support.